I've been craving the beach. It's sunny, so we're headed to the beach. I'm excited, yo. I'm at the beach. Hear the ocean, the breeze, the heat. It's gonna be a good day. Let's get set up. The sand is hot, but just put on some sunscreen. We'll go in the water, see how it is. There's a lot of, I don't know, seaweed, I guess. Oh yeah. This feels amazing. Not too cold, not too hot. Brittany, I miss you. Sorry, I miss you jealous, but I'm at the beach, y'all. Just got out of the water. That was fun. We had a great time. Me and my dad are here together, just spending time hanging out, bonding. And now we're just gonna sit here by the sun and then probably go back in the water in a little bit. That was a fun day at the beach. Had a great time. Water was perfect. And we're heading out. Time to grab some lunch. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.